I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will tell you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code ZANOS24. Next, if you have an account, then log out of it. After downloading, we're going to the apps, and tap next registration. In this menu you can see 4 variants. Right now I will choose in one click there, and in menu current country you need to choose a current country. Mine is United States. Current value to US dollar, and select your bonus. What do you want, sports or casino? Into the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and tap there. Wait loading. I think it will be faster. I'm not robot. Bicycle. Alright, next. It not will be faster, guys. Yeah. Alright, that's all, I think. Or no? Yeah, next. Next. I'm so tired. So big bus. I can't see anything. One more, and that's all. No. I'm laughing. So strange. Verify. Joe, come on. More captcha, I think. Oh guys, sorry. It's so long for showing you. Verify. And after loading, we will see our login and password. I recommended you to screenshot this for pleasure or change it right now for you didn't lose your big bonus. Tap next and go to our final step in account menu deposits. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, thank you for watching, thank you for your support. If you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck, so have fun.